Wow, what a lovely morning. It is. Start of another week, although I have to be honest, seeing as I worked Saturday last week and Sunday yesterday, and now it's Monday, I'm not quite sure where one week ends and the next one begins. Who knows? But anyway, hopefully this is the start of a new video. For a new week, ton of things going on. When isn't there a ton of things going on? Anyway, it's -1 outside, even at this time of day. So the heater's on, the lights are on, the coffee machine's on. Now I'm going to start work. Oh, it's nice and warm in here because I've got the heater on. Look, you see it churning out hot air everywhere. Actually quite pleasant. However, I've just opened up the bag and it's freezing, even though the sun's out. Anyway, that notwithstanding, oh, there you are. Right, so we had clients, oh no, let's get the, shall I actually line the camera up? Hello gimbal, I'm over here, thanks. So we had clients on Saturday and I had to move a few paintings around for them to have a little look. Anyway, the clients at 5 o'clock today, so now I'm going to move everything back.
Ladies and gentlemen, time to be on hold with our broadband provider for 2 hours probably, because that's what it was the other day. Waiting for a 48-hour phone call back. That took 5 days. So here we go, time-lapse time. "35 minutes so far. Oh joy." "6:15. Dark outside. Heads with clients at the moment. I'm working on Project X, so I'm covered in dirt. We're still here, yeah. So we'll carry on in the back. I'll let Ed finish with the clients. And then I think when the clients are happy, we're going to head home.
Wow, what a day. Clients have just gone. What time is it now? 7 p.m. I think we're going to go home now. Heidi's just parking the van. Yeah, definitely time to go home. Morning everybody, it's Tuesday. So we're working, well, it's a very odd day yesterday. And we're working on Project X. Now that's where we're picking things up this morning with Project X. I'd love to be able to show it to you, but I can't for obvious reasons, but we will at some point, I promise. But we've also got some canvas stretching as well, which we haven't done for a little while. So we're going to get everything heated up today, the ambient temperature, because we do need to stretch under slightly warmer conditions than it is at the moment, hence why I'm wearing a hat and the coat, because it's quite chilly. But we'll get the heaters on, do a little bit of stretching up. But right now, time to fetch my glasses, because I need to do some close-up work on the Project X. Now, one of the things I do here for clients, I might point out, now that I finished working on some of Project X, I'm now going to divert off while Ada continues to do some photoshopping. What do I mean by that? Well, one of the great things that I do for clients is to help them visualize what the paintings might look like in their own spaces. And to do that, I use Photoshop, which is a brilliant photo imaging tool that then allows me to take a photo that the client sends and pop one of the paintings actually into the room setting, whether it be above a sofa, console table, entrance hallway, wherever it may be. And that helps them visualize what something may look like. And it's great to break down those barriers between what you think something will look like and what it will actually look like. So I've just had a WhatsApp from a client that we saw yesterday, and I'm now going to shoot off and get that bit of photoshopping done, and I'll show you what that looks like. And there we have it. So in that little interim period, I've done 3 renders. So that one, which is called Ghost of the Shell, for one part of their living space, that which is above the sofa from a different angle, and done some printouts as well. I'm just going to get Adi just to double check my measurements. So having done that, which is 2 spaces in the same room that they're looking at to fill, there we go. So from blank photo to having the paintings put in virtually, which is pretty cool. So I'll get those sent through on WhatsApp to the client, And hopefully they'll start jumping up and down with joy.
Time to stretch your painting. Oh, it's cold.
Okay guys, so it's rather cold in here, 3:45 on Tuesday afternoon. In fact, it's very cold. Neither one of us can feel our hands and toes. However, we've just stretched this big one up called Auroras Reflection. That's quite difficult to say. So let's, I think we'll get it upright, mate, and have a look.
Let's do it.
So we've popped a light on over here as well, look. And here we go. And we've lit it for a particular reason because, as hopefully you can see now, all the sparkles and all the gold and all the silvers really does need a light source on it. Oh yeah, look at that. And this continues all the way across, 250 centimeters by 130, so it's a pretty big one. Let's see if we can capture that under the light. Yeah, that's good. And there's a favourite bit of mine which is just down here, which is where it's so difficult. I've tried to photograph it and I can't. You can just getting it now. It looks almost like diamonds. And that's with a metallic silver flake. Let's see if I can get down a bit so you can see it. There we go. If I pan across 280 all the way down there, look. There we go. Now you can see it sparkling. And that really continues across the whole thing. So if you want to see how this was done, I'll pop a link to the live stream where we painted it down in the description. Well worth a look. And you'll see right from the very start how this was created, all the way through to those amazing metallic powders that are on it as well. But dude, I think that looks awesome.
Pretty good.
Yeah, we've been itching to get this done for ages around the frame. Yeah, look at that. That gold there is just stunning. So I think, buddy, we're probably ready to get that on the frame. Right guys, so what we're going to do now, we've got some spotlights on and we're going to have a play around between warm and cool lights. At the moment they're lit with the cool white on the LEDs, which is around about 5,000 Kelvin. So now on this little clip you're going to see us go between that and what happens when we go warm, which is around about 2,000 to 3,000. And if you go,
bring it back up. So
yeah,
this is going to be basically 6,500 Kelvin.
Right, like daylight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then pull that right down.
Wow, yes, a huge difference.
2,000.
Yes. Yeah. Now you can really see that now. Oh, the gold is just crazy. And you can definitely see there in that gold just how modified it is and how much warmer it is, especially as we go down a little bit. Yeah, that is literally like chalk and cheese, mate.
You stay there, and we'll start turning this up to 6,000 daylight.
Oh yeah. Wow, that hasn't half changed.
It's a midday sunny July day now.
Well, all the silvers have just completely lit up. You didn't see the silver before; it was all dominated by gold, and now all the silvers are coming through. Just wouldn't think it would make such a difference, would you? Epic though, mate. Epic. Very good.
Excellent.
Right, so these are now on the warm setting, and you can see what a difference it makes just with lighting. Another reason why lighting is really, really important when you've got art display. Welcome everybody to Wednesday. It is chilly outside. Actually, it's quite cold, and there is snow forecast at some point. Maybe not today, but at some point. So we're going to tackle some work out here in the freezer, or I would like to call it the back room. Not quite sure if we're going to stretch anything today. We did stretch this one yesterday, which you've just seen on the video, and we were playing about with some lighting conditions, but even in natural light, considering it's a very grey day today, it literally does light up like a Christmas tree. It's quite seasonal, seeing as that's the time of year we're approaching. But anyway, that's that. And it might be going out to see a client on Monday, which will be interesting, so you definitely have to stick around for the next video, because you might very well see that going on the wall. Anyway, for now, we're going to crack on with some live stream prep, because it's Wednesday. Woohoo! Right guys, so just finished the live stream. So I've got about 30 seconds when I put my mask on, but I just wanted to talk to you very quickly above the noise of the extractor. So that was another mega successful live stream. Look what we did. So this week it was silver with gold on the top. About 3 or 4 weeks ago we did the opposite, so I wanted to try something different this time, which we've done. It looks amazing. It's quite late at night here, I've made a lot of mess. Me and AD are both exhausted, but we wanted just to show you this is real life, this is what happens at the end of a live stream. So we've got some tidying up to do, and some switching off of lights and all that kind of stuff too. But that's it, as raw as it is. Now you've seen it, this is how we finish off a live stream. Very, very successfully. Very happy with that, obviously very tired. So we're going to go get everything shut down now, and then it's home time. Woo!
Oh, it's cold out here. Brrr. Dark, cold, home time. Oh look, it's Auroras Studios. Seems to be like somebody's still in there. Yeah, we are. Anyway, we're going home now. It's cold!
Good morning everybody, it's Friday, woohoo! Okay, we're going out to see a client in about an hour and 15 minutes. Fortunately, they're not too far away, so we're going to get that packed up and loaded very, very shortly. Quite chilly, even though the sun's out. Ah, the sun is so bright! That's all right. So we'll go and see what we can do with these 3 paintings, so I'm really looking forward to that. Look, that's what we did the other day. It's looking incredible in the sunlight. Yeah. Despite the fact it's almost December, we do have sun today, whoop, and that is going out on Monday. So all of a sudden we're really, really busy, which is awesome. Anyway, about time we're gone with the day. Can't stand around chatting. Well, I can. Well, I do a lot of that. You know what I mean. Okay, cool. That's got the 3 paintings wrapped up. Oh, look, there's a gap. No! 3 paintings wrapped, so time to get them on the van.